morning guys. Ani 참마도 da Thali. Ani drink ay mangiwa. This is the second day and ni nga kanche na. Dili nga tambo din do ani nga tang ropa. So bike rent today. So the camera shooting ini nga ropa ko da license ne. Manso bike rent today. Manso Thakali khala sa today. Like Thakali sa khala ding umanya saw somni. I'm so excited about it because I don't know the color dish from bounce color NEPAL can taste to you mara and I think there on the Mustang Thakali color study of the vlog chigo and right now mother for the children for the children that are that for the children chair over just some more. I feel like we're gonna have an awesome day. Bye guys, peace out and keep smiling. Bye bye. Guess what guys, I'm finally at Mustang Thakali restaurant. Anita, Mustang Thakali restaurant. See, Mustang Thakali restaurant. And though, like, I've waited almost like 3 years. Losing school by the village though. Anita Thakali is Thakali na is a big thing. Some stuff is color the main one. Day dal ka the dani the boy day dal the ani salad chutney tamil the color lina ngai kuchu tam color te khari gari tu best Thakali sagale re Thakali masangi na stula side dish mo boy re ani tring on the bike rent chi sai and the bike de understand the lamga the samai video la I carry order chicken Thakali and which is the best. Top color letter so fine guys. Color letter so any color content na yeah color na color na date carrot radish tomato azar ani kunru ki azar pickle potato date aloo show chicken curry ani dal ani papad this and then हम तो वहाँ ना honey ginger lemon tea color content color sunny color taste content wow. The food was really good, but the thing is, you guys want to know the price, right? And the price was like $3.50 for one plate, and ginger lemon tea design, which altogether the bill was $800 for 2 people.
Oh, that's
so
a lot.
It was really good, right? You guys should come and try the Mustang Thakali and Nanzugi. Bakwa like it, So we have bullet infill and as a cousin but we might gonna rent a different bike later. So I'll see you later. भुला के तुमसे मिला हूँ, निकली है दिल से ये दुआ, रंग दे तुम मोहे गेरुआ. Hi guys, it's Friday night and it's time to have fun. So my first plan is to watch my friend's band performing the live band. So I'm gonna go there and watch them performing. If they gave me a chance, I will sing some song. And after that, I'm going to different place where another friend is performing. So I'm gonna go there and watch that too. Then we might go to eat something, and then after that, we haven't planned yet. But if something happens, I'll definitely let you know, guys. So today I'm wearing this leather jacket from Zara. It's quite fancy. Shirt, jeans, and a leather shoe. That's it for tonight. And I'm just wishing this day to be the funny, what's the most powerful day? What? I don't know. I wish it's really so full of fun, love, happiness. That's it. Thanks guys, see ya. Hi guys, right now I'm with the Castaway band and they're performing their live band. So as you can see, my friends are performing. And we're going to sing Thali band this song, and I hope you guys will like this song. Yeah, of course! ta 드링 이마 시원가 인사래 아니 드링 아지 스튜디오 될 time dire 아니 that's almost 7:40 right now 아니 on studio to do 주얼을 저타 거래다 겨우고 쇼쳤어 아니 디네 트윈드레이 아무튼 보다 sembo 보도 저거래 아니 스튜디오라 hopefully share 보셔서 share 보세도 하셔 아니 참바 겨도겨도 샤 이나 틱톡이래 이번 나겨도 제도 틱톡이래 아니 wish me luck bye bye peace out the pizza let's so here's my pizza it looks really good as you can see tomatoes jalapeno olives and chicken cheese and it looks really good let me try one of this looks really good wait a second let me put some hot sauce in it I like spicy some hot sauce here oh too much spice too much that's really too much but I don't care maybe a little bit okay let me try yes I shall not so good guys it's so good you guys should try it too amazing bye guys amazing Maya lono tiumi to bolile Maya satuna urayore lele